Olá.
Hello, guys.
Hoje é que
Ano
dia?
tá ali, dia 5 de julho, dia de independência de Cabo Verde. 50 anos.
É jovem.
I love Cabo Verde.
The festivities had already been going on since the 3rd of July. This was the final night. 3-day party for 50 years. That's Cape Verdean, all right. Another Cape Verdean thing, never too old or too young to play.
Okay, unbelievable moment here in Cabo Verde. Moment incrível. O que faz ali? It friggin' rains. Chuva? Never rains here.
Tem uns gotinhos, Alex. Tem chuva.
Drizzle.
It rarely rains in Cabo Verde, but here and now, I was showered with love, baby.
Cabeça sabe, vem hoje.
Ah, vou acabar de resistir. Ah, vou dizer. Ah, quer dizer. Vou acabar de resistir. Só umzinho, só pouco, só pouco. I was in there with Wendy, man. It was cool, but I don't know, man. I'm too old for that shit. I left her there. I came back here for a beer. I'm gonna wait for her.
We had been drinking all night, and I was pretty buzzed by then. I was getting dizzy in a crowd. Wendy and I hooked up later and made our way to the dinghy, or more like I waded my way to the dinghy and brought us home. The party continued on all night. No, we don't wash our clothes on Galopin. If possible, this is definitely the better way.
Então, tá pronto? Falta 2 minutos. Então, vem, senta. So me and Wendy are at this little restaurant here. I like it. And we're standing here at this little place, this little restaurant, because right across the street is a laundromat. The Italian guy runs it. He just showed us and helped us, and right now our laundry is being washed in a machine.
Well, the weekend was over. We had to clean up her act.
I'm letting Wendy do her thing in the water. I can't teach her to swim. Can't force people to do anything, you know? Better, just letting her do her thing. Meanwhile, the anchor and the dinghy thing is working out real well. It's over there. It's hanging out. It's not so back-breaking trying to lift it up on the beach. And nobody's messing with it. And it's not going to go anywhere with that chain.
I felt like I needed to give Wendy some space. Kept my distance, but also kept an eye on her in the water. She She was getting a little tired of me filming her a lot. The burden of being a YouTuber. Like she had said before, she gets no privacy. Always on display. She's right. Our lives are public for all to see. And I must admit it gets to me too. Sometimes I tune off, black out from the public. This life is not for everyone, but here, I could not resist turning the camera on to Wendy. This would be our last time here on the beach in Boa Vista. Our plans would have to change. We will have to go. Wendy had been preoccupied. I could tell something was not right.
Oh, yeah, Sipe. Look at her feet. Oh, yeah, Wendy, but está hinchada.
Short.
¿Por qué? Chuarea.
She's not the type to cry about things much, but she needed to get back to Mindelo to sort things out about her son. We decided to sail to the main island of Santiago. There, it would be easier for her to catch a ferry back home. The journey here today should be a comfortable sail downwind. About 70 nautical miles. About 12 or 14 hours. We should get there just at sundown. But, as it is always when sailing, it was not very comfortable. Mainly because of the waves. And then disaster struck. Yo, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Wend Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.